Uh, it was the beat Chuck. You heard telephone, and guess who pick up? Steve. My name is Steve, aka Steve. I believe in his flow, but I got two, so I got both. You know I'm a poet, and you know when I go, it's something so hot, but actually it froze the world because you know your toes cannot move when you listen to my tone. The voice when I pertract this thing and admit that your mind gets messages it receives. Can't stop me. I am Stevie. I am coming and I am defeating these whack ass rappers who are not retreating. Run from the dude who is rhyming beastly. Oh, and you know that I kill. I never stop. Yeah, I am going over the hill. I will jump over the whole world and jump over Mars. That's two planet. You can't even hold two bars to me because I know I drive cars so fast into the beat and then an explosion occurs. Not stopping, you know that I'm blurred. I'm like the wind spitting so quick. I think I turn everything that I say into a metaphor. No, I don't need that cause my flow roars and it blasts. And you know you are sitting on your ass. Cause I hit you so hard you can't feel the impact. So what you gonna do when you face my wrath? I will attack like a dog that is mad. Hyped up on steroids and growth hormones. You cannot stop me. I am going towards you. Oh, I'm so good. I am so great. I am the epitome. And you know that I take the flow to a whole nother level. I am like a demon, but I am not the devil. Cause I don't need to be it because I know I am several. And you cannot sever the times in my endeavor. Is that I kinda have a little hardship when I am spitting. Cause I ain't starting the fire, but it is appalling. So sometimes they cannot take it all in. But I am not ever stopping or falling. You will see me when I am on top. I'll be beaming like a laser. You know that I got to rock this whole place, tear the stadium down. I ain't stopping because I ain't playing right now. I am coming, gotta be a little more quiet. Got too hyped and you know I'm timing myself. Yeah, I am my 230, but you didn't even know it could have been a century. Cause I am going so hard and bare. I'm a dog bearing his teeth and it's not fair. Cause I can harm anybody in the air. My essence is so pure, I think I stare into the eyes of God when I start to spit. Cause it's something divine, you know I'm sick. I'm coming with it and I am delivering what I got to be the epitome. As a rapper in the game, I'm sickening. Already said it, but I'll say again for these kids who cannot understand flowetry. But actually, I'm kind of poetry when I write. But right now, I'm just freestyling, coming with it straight off the dome. You know, this child is the best, so give me my throne and my crown, cause I'm about to lay the whole city down. I'll break those barriers, come through the wall. You cannot stop me, even if China would build it bigger, put up more scenes. I would just knock every brick out the thing and then walk through as a beast unleashed. You cannot stop me now, there's no cage to be. I broke it and you know I'm outspoken, but I'm kinda shy, but I ain't joking. That is stuff true, cause in this booth I am only me, cause I am never stopping. I feel like I am free, but this is freestyle, so I feel like a bird. Give me the title Leonard Skinner, cause I am flying high and I will never fall. So just listen to me and then applaud.